Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to build buildings in Escape from Dakov. To build buildings, workshops, etc., simply approach the blue blueprint on the wall right here. I'm sorry, blanked on the word. And then simply select the building you want to create. You need to have certain materials ready, and then you can place it on the world. You can also collapse a building, and as you can see, it is returned to the build menu, but I can't always place it. And as you can see, when you build something, even if you picked the other option instead of this one, you would be able to place that workshop wherever you like. I had it here in the beginning. I think I will place it here. You can rotate it with Q and E, and also move with WASD. And I will place it right here, I think. And well, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.